actually
good.
It's pretty grippy.
Yeah.
Yeah, feels
front
good.
Tires, yeah. J-turn.
Yeah. I always wanted to do one of these. It's more violent than I thought it would be. Alright guys, today I'm here with Substitute TOPher. We are going to do some drift practice in the 2022 Subaru BRZ. We're starting off with a small circle. We kind of have donuts mastered. That's not that difficult, but let's start with a first gear drift. Just try to keep things balanced. Here's your donut, basic counter steer and throttle control. That's usually the first step you want to do when learning to drift. And once you've mastered that, you can move to a slightly wider circle. The best way I've found to initiate a slide first is to just kind of get close to that grip limit as possible. So we're going to get right here, we're going to kick the throttle, and we're just going to try to maintain this slide around these cones. This is a first gear situation. All right, pretty good practice there. That's about as much as first gear will do. Okay, so let's go into second and we'll widen that circle just a tad. I can also widen my cones, but we'll get out and do that later. All right, so you can either do a clutch kick or again, accelerate to that limit of grip. Punch the throttle. And you want to just kind of balance it on the throttle, keeping pretty even pressure on the accelerator. Notice I'm not using too many steering inputs to maintain. And it's wet out today, so it's going to be a little bit trickier to do this. And I added a little bit too much throttle there and spun the car. So we were at a pretty good amount of lock too. All right, let's see. Let's try that again. We'll go the other way so we don't get too dizzy.
I was gonna say, yeah.
Yeah, how you feeling?
I'm fine, but it was starting to get a little dizzy.
Let's talk about initiation. So we talked about just kind of the power oversteer initiation. You can also clutch kick. That's basically where you just a little bit of throttle, clutch kick, and then flat out. It's a pretty aggressive initiation and it's easy to spin. So you have to get ready to catch it and kind of modulate your throttle accordingly. More throttle creates more oversteer. Less throttle will straighten you out. To exit the drift, all you do is just let off the throttle just a little bit and unwind the steering wheel, maintaining that resistance so that you don't snap oversteer. All right, so we swapped over to the Michelin Primacy front tires just because I was getting a little bit too much noise from the RE71 RS's.
Too much scrubbing.
Too much scrubbing. It is 37 degrees out today. It's pretty cold. So we will reevaluate. Keep our display off, turn off traction control. Let's see how this feels. Feels pretty good.
Nice.
Yeah. Try to get a transition down here. I am not good at transitions. One way to do it is you can cheat and use the handbrake.
Nice.
And that kind of helps. There we go. A little figure eight here. And a spin. I need to move up a little bit. Let's talk basics too. Seating position is pretty crucial when you're drifting and sliding around. You're going to be moving side to side more and back more than you are in normal driving positions, and you want to be able to access the clutch, the brake, the gas, the steering very well. So put yourself a little bit closer to the steering wheel than you think is needed. initiation, don't be afraid to let the car auto steer. So if you're doing a little bit of you're turning in, you're giving it some throttle to catch that slide, let it auto steer and catch it after about half a second. You'll kind of feel that point, and then you're gonna wanna add a lot of throttle to maintain that slide. There's the transition. G-forces. There we go. Let's try handbrake initiation here. It's a little tougher. You have to add a lot of throttle initially to get it to maintain the angle. That was a good one.
That was good.
We're getting better. Goose poop initiation. Too much goose poop. Too slippery.
What's an oil slick? You got some exterior?
Sure, why not?
Okay.
Yeah, hop in the middle here. I'll drop you off.
Okay.
And then I'll let you have a go. Lots of heavy breathing in here.
Yeah. So much TOFR warmth. Do you want your phone?
Yeah. To exit the drift, we're going to let off the throttle and straighten out the steering wheel. Nice. Scandinavian flick entry. That's another way you can enter a slide. Tighter there, that's good.
Okay.
That was better, nice.
Okay. So turn a little bit tighter, you said?
Yep. Yeah, you want to kind of keep turning in to kind of maintain that direction of the slide. But not turning too much on initiation.
That was just a donut.
Yeah, that was a donut. Try again, go the other way.
Go. Which way
Yeah,
was I
go
just
left.
Go left. Okay.
Yep. This is nice because you're just kind of learning throttle maintenance.
This is fun. That was good, right?
Try again, one more time.
Was
that was better. There's a lot of steering input. We want a little bit less steering input. But
okay.
That's basically just throttle control. So go a little bit slower because we're maxing out in first.
Okay.
And see if you can just kind of get a nice donut going. Yep, good. Nice, nice. Feel that throttle control right there, right there. That's it. Yes, 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 yes. More throttle, more throttle. Yeah, too much throttle. I told you too much. That was good though. You felt that. Like,
yeah, I did.
It's that like sweet spot, that point where it just kind of like you're on that edge and you're balancing it. Go a little faster this time.
Okay. More towards the middle.
This will be my last one, and I'm gonna hop out and let you have it.
Okay. Okay. Are you gonna go in the GR86 at all?
Maybe.
Yeah. Too much throttle.
Try again. There we go. Good. Good. Hold that right there. Just keep that maintain that angle. Good, good, good. So when you're like, it's almost like you keep turning in. That's good. You want to like keep it almost like you're like feel that pressure on the steering wheel when you're counter steering.
Okay.
It's like you're turning into the corner. You want to just maintain just a little bit of that pressure so that you're always maintaining your slide, and then you're kind of creating the angle of the car with your throttle. Do a few more. I'm gonna hop out and get some video footage / not puke.
Hopefully not puke. If I start to puke, I'll bail out.
Yeah, you'll be fine.